Immune boosters from the kitchen. Include these herbs and spices in your meals. They have the antiviral and antimicrobial activity which helps to fight the infections. Include ginger, garlic, mint leaves, cinnamon, black pepper, ajwain, jeera, cloves, kalonji, methi seeds, coriander seeds. You can make masala tea. You can add in infused water. Best is to use in tadkas and chutneys so that you consume them in the right proportion.